In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Patreon Discord roles not syncing. If your Patreon perks are supposed to unlock a Discord role and nothing is showing up, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by a small connection problem, a payment delay, or a Discord server setup issue. I'll walk you through the most common fixes for both patrons and creators so you can get everything syncing properly again. Let's start from the patron side if you're the one missing a role. First, make sure the Discord account linked to your Patreon is the exact same Discord account you're currently logged into. This is a very common cause of missing roles, especially if you have more than one Discord account or you recently switched devices or browsers. Even if the usernames look familiar, it's worth double checking. Next, relink your accounts completely. Go to your Patreon settings, then open connected apps. Find Discord and click disconnect. After that, log out of Discord, clear your browser cache, and then go back and click connect again to reauthorize the integration. This helps refresh the link between both platforms and can fix sync issues caused by an outdated login session. Also, keep in mind that payment timing matters. If your payment is declining, retrying, or still processing, especially around the first of the month, your Discord role may be delayed temporarily. In that case, the role usually returns automatically once the payment fully clears, so give it a little time before assuming the connection is broken. Another thing to check is the Patreon tier itself. If the tier description does not say includes Discord rewards, then the creator may need to correct the role mapping on their end. In that situation, your best next step is to contact the creator and let them know the Discord reward may not be properly configured. Now, if you're the creator and the server sync is failing for patrons, start by checking the role hierarchy in Discord. Open your server settings, go to roles, and make sure the official Patreon bot role is placed above all of the individual tier roles it needs to assign. If the bot sits below those roles, it won't be able to manage them. After that, verify the bot permissions. The Patreon bot should have both manage roles and create instant invite enabled. Without those permissions, syncing can fail even if the connection appears active. Then head into your Patreon account settings, open the Discord integration tab, and reselect the matching Discord roles for each Patreon tier. This ensures every tier is mapped correctly and that patrons receive the right role. Finally, avoid manually removing or kicking the Patreon bot from your Discord member list. Doing that can break the integration and interfere with webhooks that handle syncing in the background. If you follow these checks carefully, you'll usually be able to restore Patreon and Discord role syncing without much trouble.